Jungle safaris organized by experienced companies in the Royal Chitwan National Park and Royal Bardia Wildlife Reserve introduce you to wildlife observation, nature walks, cultural tours, canoe rides, elephant rides, and elephant guards. You may even see a tiger. The Royal Shuklafata Wildlife Reserve is especially noted for wild elephants and swamp deer. Bird watchers, especially in the Kushi-Tapu Wildlife Reserve, can observe concentrations of several species of birds. National and international conservation efforts continue to save endangered species like the tiger, the one-horned rhino, and the gharial crocodile.